on. Come on. Come on, it's okay. Uncle Pete ain't gonna bother you. No, sir. Come on, it's okay. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go play. I know you're not my dog, but come on, you have to act right for the video. Come on. So many people are going to look at you and say, oh man, look at that little bugger. Yes, sir. Come on. 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 You have to act right. You're on YouTube, you know. Okay? You're going to be a superstar. Yes, sir. Him's going to be a superstar. Or you're a girl or boy. Ooh.
Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. This is Gus, my buddy. He is my brother-in-law and sister-in-law's pet. He is a schnauzer, miniature schnauzer, something like that. I own a lawn care company here in North Carolina. And of course, you know, we do YouTube videos and teach the DIY person that likes to do their own lawn care. We kind of teach you how to do that in a more using professional grade products and that kind of thing. Well, I get asked probably 300 or 400 times a year about pets in the yard. Now, before we dig into this, I want to make it clear, I realize this is a pretty sensitive subject. I know folks that I think they love their pet as much as they love their kid, and that's all good. They don't call them man's best friend for no reason, right? So with that said, you can probably take this information and apply it to your pet or even to your kids or yourself. So first of all, if you're the applicator, of course you always want to wear your safety gear, your personal protective equipment, that kind of thing. And our company will go out and we'll make an application, and then we tried our best to be proactive on letting people know what to do, but we'll still sometimes get a lot of the times get emails back, and they'll say, well, hey, when can my dog go out? When can Gus go in the yard? So this is what we tell folks. If we're doing a granular application, okay, strictly 100% granular, no liquid involved, we say they can go out as soon as they want to. As soon as our technician gets out of the yard, or as soon as you get done applying your fertilizer, your granular fertilizer, they're completely safe. We do tell them this. We will say, monitor your pet. Make sure they're not digging around in the grass and trying to consume the granular, the little pebble of fertilizer. Fertilizer's to feed the grass. It's not to feed Gus, right? So a little common sense there. If your dog is starting to dig around and trying to eat the fertilizer, immediately remove them. Now, as far as liquid goes, we would go out and make a liquid application. You would make a liquid application to your yard, and we always tell folks 2 to 3 or 4 hours. We want the yard completely 100% dry, meaning that liquid application hits the grass, and it's still a little bit wet, and whether the sun, the wind, or whatever, or just time dries the grass blade, then we feel like your dog's safe.
Come on. Come on. Now, if you want to be overly anal about a liquid application, you apply the liquid to your yard, you wait until it gets watered in or rainfall has a chance to wash it down into the ground, and then let it dry, and then let your pet back out. So a granular application, pretty much safe to go immediately. Same with your kids, and of course you don't want your kids eating this either.
a liquid application. Wait until it's 100% completely dry, and then if you're overly anal, go a few more hours beyond that. Now, with that said, I want to make it very clear, I'm a lawn care applicator. I am not a veterinarian, okay? Your veterinarian may tell you something different, and if he or she does, you should listen to them and not to me. This information I'm feeding you is based off 17 years of doing lawn care applications and yard type fertilizer stuff. And in those 17 years, I have spoken to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pet owners, and I've given them those same instructions, and not one time have we ever had an incident with a pet or with a child that any type of a reaction to any lawn care product we have ever applied to any yard anywhere around here. So again, I want to make that very, very clear to you. Check with your veterinarian. If their thought process lines up with mine, then you're good to go. If theirs is a little more intense than mine, I would say go with what they say. But that's my 2 cents on the subject, and it's worked incredibly well for us. It's kept the pets safe for 17 years. It's kept kids safe, not to mention my very own kids. It's kept them safe. We've been right here on this property for 8 years now, and my kids go by that same principle. When I make an application liquid, we stay off the yard for 2 or 3 or 4 hours. We let it dry really good. When I do a granular application, and then go right back out whenever they get ready to. So hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies. And I gotta take Gus back over here to his dad's house, because if Gus stays here much longer, that means I'm gonna have to feed him. He might crap in my yard, he might pee in my yard, and I really don't want that. So I'm gonna take Gus back home. Check you later. Come on, let's go home.
What is it? Huh? What is it, Booger? What is it? You don't like me one bit, do you? You like, where's my daddy at? Where's my real daddy? Yes, sir. Where's my real daddy?
Come on. Come on. Come on.